Ashley, and today we are unboxing Stitch Fix. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, this is a styling subscription. They send you clothes, you keep what you like, you send back what you don't, you get a discount if you keep all of it. There is a small nominal styling fee. I do have a referral code I'll put down in the comments for you. I'm trying to think anything else. You do get, so you open up your box, return shipping is free. You put everything you don't want to keep in this bag, you drop it at the post office. What I think is really cool about this is you get a stylist, they send you this paper and it tells you what they selected and why they selected it, whereas some other subscriptions, they kind of go willy-nilly, and I feel like this one, they really do try to tailor it to you, which I think is really cool. And today, I'm so on trend with my sweatpants, just so you guys know. Just kidding. I just worked out, and I'm gonna go donate platelets after this, so I'm just trying to get it all in there, you know? Don't know what that means, trying to get it all in there, whatever. All right, and then you can also go in their shop and buy items that go with your fix, depending on what you decide to keep. We're gonna open everything now, look at the paper, and then I'm going to try everything on at the end, and we're going to kind of go from there. Sound good? Good. All right. Ugh. Everything is individually wrapped. I'm going to open this baby up. Oh, so first off is a color block sweater. I kind of love this. Color blocking is really cool, and I know like it's like a trendy thing, but like I love it, and this has orange in it and that pretty, like a plum, like a dusty plum color. I made that name up, but I think it's fitting. I think it's really pretty, and it's very like wintry, like cozy. It's giving me cozy vibes. I like it. All right, so there's that. Then we have a white, well, kind of a cream, like a wrap type shirt. I don't know if this is me. I'm gonna be right honest right now. It kind of has that, like, maybe we'll see what it looks like on. This is something though that if I were to see this at the store, I wouldn't really give it a lot of attention. You know what I mean? It wouldn't catch my eye, as they say. I don't know who they are, but that's what they say, I heard. All right. Then we have, this is from Steve Madden. This is a dress. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest. This style of dress, like this ruched sides where it's like very form-fitting, I never feel like they look good on me. I feel like I always look fat. So I don't think I'm gonna like this, but I'll try it and we'll see, okay? I'll give it a chance. I will give it a chance. There are a pair of pants here. These are from Liverpool, Los Angeles. These are a petite, which is, I love that you can get petite. These actually look like are they a capri? No, they look really short. Do they look short? Maybe it's just because I'm not used to seeing short pants. These, I don't know if you can tell, they are like shiny. They're not pleather, but they have like a, I don't know what to call that. I don't know what that's called. Never really seen anything like that. Skinny coated pant. It's a coated pant. So there's that. And then there is a whole other bunch of items in here, so let's get in it. All right. Ooh, it's a jacket. Oh, and I love it. Oh my gosh. It reminds me of like a medieval knight, right? Isn't that cool? I do like that I got a little bit of everything. So this is from Mocha by Santa Fe Apparel. I love this, but I have a coat very similar. So if it's very expensive, I will not be keeping it. Just letting you guys know now. I have one that's almost exactly like this is, see, and also I'm going to say something that's probably, I feel like this is made to look a certain way, but it's not actually that way. Like it's supposed to look like you have a jacket with a hoodie underneath. Why not just wear a jacket with a hoodie underneath? That's the whole point, right? Like those kinds of things, I'm like, oh, that's kind of silly. I'm more practical in my clothing wearing, but I do love this. It's very nice. What else was I gonna say? I do like that I got a little bit of everything. I got a piece of outerwear, I got a pair of pants, I got 2 sweaters and a dress. I believe that's everything, right? Yes. And that seems like to me like, okay, cool. I could have a whole outfit out of this box if I wanted it. I feel like with other subscription services I've tried, I have not had that same result. So right now we're gonna go and open this guy up. Oh, hello. I always tell them that they can keep my stylist or get a new one. I don't really care, because honestly, I like the variety. I like the idea of somebody just shaking it up, you know? All right, so where's the prices? This thing tells you, like, it's like a letter from your stylist. We're quickly approaching the most wonderful time of the year, and I'm so excited to be your stylist for this latest seasonal assortment. I'm eager for you to first check out these black coated skinnies from Liverpool, a fierce style that will add some fun and flair to your seasonal wardrobe. Try them on and let me know what you think, whether you pair them with the trendy Madewell wrap top or the cozy pattern sweater. You will be looking and feeling amazing. Also for the upcoming holidays, maybe even New Year's Eve. I'll be working New Year's Eve, guys. Check out this fantastic fitted Steve Madden dress. You can wear it solo with bold heels or even layer it with this mocha faux leather jacket. I would love to hear which pieces you were delighted by and where we can continue to improve. Please leave lots of comments and feedback during checkout. Until next time, Mary. Okay. She did a good job. I like everything. All right. So the dress is $89. That's expensive for me, but we're still going to try it on and see if I love it. If I don't, you know, just send it back. The diagonal color block sweater is $48. Now, typically I'd say that's really expensive, but I do kind of love this. I'm not going to lie. I think it's very pretty, and I don't know, I just like it. So maybe. The wrap top from Madewell is $72. That's a lot for a top for me. I'm not there in my life yet. I have 4 kids, you know, but it's really pretty. Not gonna lie, beautiful. Try it on, see what it looks. Maybe I'll be, you know, I'll be just inspired to purchase, you know. All right, so then we have the pants, and these are $88, which is very typical of the Stitch Fix. I feel like they're probably on a little the pricier side of the clothing subscriptions. So these are $88, and then the jacket is $78, which I'm actually surprised. That's not crazy. I thought it was going to be more. All right, so right now we're going to get into trying. Okay, so here are the pants. They're cute. I'm not gonna lie, they're cute. The sweater is a no. It's way too, like, I don't know, I feel like I could have a wardrobe malfunction in this. You know what I'm saying? I also just don't like the fit. I feel like it's probably a little too young for me. It's like, you know, croppy in the toppy area. Also, FYI, I don't wear makeup when I do these videos because I don't want to get makeup on the clothes. But I did a Tabata workout before this, so I'm all red, like from like just being overheated. It was a really intense workout, FYI. I'll try to link who I work out with down in the description. She's on. Oh, look, it's got a button. Mind blown. I still don't like it. I like it a little better, but I still don't love it. No wonder I was like, oh, I think my boobs are gonna pop. All right, I'm gonna try on the color block sweater. I just love this sweater. Oh, it reminds me of a mountain. Like, I don't know. I just think it's cool. I just think it's so nice. I love it. Don't you guys love it? I love the colors. Oh, it's so pretty and like snuggly. And like, I love this knit is like very like, it's soft, but it's not like the kind that's going to like pull, like, do you know what I mean? Oh, I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna be real honest. All right, I'm gonna put on this jacket now because why not, right? I do like this too. I don't need it. I'm gonna be real honest. I have something very similar, and I try not to just buy things that are like other things because, ooh, that's kind of cool. It's got 2 zippers. I do like the price. I find that the price is not too bad. Anybody else out there have to hold? I like have to do this like little kid thing where I hold my sleeves when I put them in like a jacket because I don't like them to feel bunched up inside. I probably should have tried this on with a dress because this is bunchy inside, but it's warm. It is very, yikes, what was that? Don't break, coat. Oh, I love that. Isn't it cool? It's very cool, chick, right? And then like you have the cool like it's kind of like a bomber, right? Like a bomber style. That's what I have, a bomber jacket. And I do wear it with a hoodie underneath. Because I want to be cool. I get a lot of compliments on it too, just so we're clear. But anyway, I do love this, but I can't keep it. It's, no, I don't need it. It's too close to Christmas, guys. All right, now I'm gonna try on the dress that I do not like on me. Is it an ugly dress? Absolutely not. I don't know why. I always feel, I don't know. I just feel like the, I don't know how to describe the way these kinds of dresses make me feel. I just don't like them. If you're gonna go tight, I feel like there should be like division, right? Or do half tight and half not. Or like, it can't be like that they can see your whole body. Like, I just feel, I feel exposed in these kinds of dresses. I think that's what it is. Because I'm looking at myself, I'm like, ah, I don't look fat. But I do not love that I can just see my, is that just me? It might just be me. Anyway, I think I like everything. I don't hate anything. I don't feel like this dress is very me. But I love this sweater. I'll be honest, I didn't love the wrap knit top. I already put that back. I was like, no, that's a definite no. I think I will be keeping the color block sweater, but I will put down in the description what I definitely kept. This was definitely fun. I like that it kind of had a little bit of everything. I do like these sleeves. Not gonna lie, they have that little bit of wiggle. I feel kind of like a teacher. Maybe I need some glasses like those. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season.